392 DOS, back to you in another video. If you haven't liked, subscribe, or comment, go ahead and do that. Also, hit that subscribe button. Bam. Alright, so today, some parts came in. I just got off work. And let me show y'all what came in. I got a box. I don't know what it is. I don't know who it's from. And this right here. So I ordered about $600-700 worth of parts. Because I took off the stuff off the 300 and I made about $600 off all that stuff. So I just used that money to buy some parts. So if y'all haven't seen the 392 Daytona, I made the switch. I wrecked the 300, I'm sorry. So we're gonna see what I got. I'm gonna just open these real quick and then see what I got. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna be opening is this. Go ahead and jiggle this. Okay. I thought these were it. These are the Mopar banners. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with those. Car Reviews with Foosh told me to put one on the front and then put my YouTube on the back, so I just ordered two. That was about 30 bucks for those. This, I want to say it's from Spoiler King. I got a nice discount with them for them sponsoring me. So go ahead and check them out. Damn it. Fuck it. This shit don't open. So, okay, perfect. I know who this is from too. That's perfect. This is from OP7, OPT7 from my Underglow. If y'all haven't seen my Underglow on the 300. I ordered some interiors too, because when I got into the accident, nothing really messed up, but pulling them out, I was at a weird angle when I ripped them, so that's fine. But these are the Underglows, the 36 inches, because the two sides work on the passenger and driver, but the front of the vehicle doesn't work. So I'm gonna be installing this probably tomorrow. I ordered 3 of them. Yeah, I'm gonna put one inside the hood of the car, and I'm gonna put 2 in the front and the back. Or yeah, 2 in the front and in the back. Yeah, I have to think about that. But yeah, so but just continue this video and we gonna just be installing this. So y'all stay tuned. So we got LEDs going in, Underglow. Show y'all right there. LEDs going in. LEDs right here. So probably put some underneath the hood, but try to get y'all the detailed view. Ooh, the lighting is terrible. Oh my gosh. Jeez, there we go. I'm trying to get y'all a better view of what's going on. I really don't have a lot of time to be looking and showing all that, but I'm gonna try my best to do that, so y'all be tuned. So, I'm gonna put it on this bar right here. Oh shit. On the 300, it had like it had like a little bracket, like a little guard that I could mess with, but we gonna see what I can do. Let's see if I can rig some. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Yeah, I can rig something up. So rig that up right there. Let me just start fabricating something. So what I'm gonna have to do is, y'all can see, so I'm gonna have to drill a hole there and a hole there because that's how long the bar is, and I'm gonna just put a zip tie through them to hold it. So I'm gonna drill holes and then I'll get back to you. see.
Oh, there's a battery.
Yep. I didn't want to pull this out, but it's looking like it. Those extra cords right here?
Yeah, I told you that.
How many did I have extra?
Like, there's like 5.
Oh, that's for my Underglow inside. Those also 2 coming in too. Those coming in. Now it's just all about wiring now. Fuse box. You come on. Oh shit. I think it's like this. There it goes. Fuck. I forgot which one I hooked it up to last time.
That's terrible lighting.
Yeah, I know the light sucks.
This is probably the best it's gonna get.
It's a 10 power amp. Or is it 20? I think it's 10. So I'm gonna do it to a 10. So let's see. Alright. I'm actually gonna take a piss right here. I gotta make that. I don't know if I hook it up to a 10 volt or a 20 volt. Because it's 2 10s. Okay, I'm about to just do it this one. I don't know what it is, but I'm doing it. I know some of y'all gonna be like, oh, Brandon, why you doing that? Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Just know it's that splat. It's that splat. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it. I'll do it this way. Just know it's that splat. God damn, where'd you go in? Bam. That bitch is in. Grab some more of that wire. Pull it out like that. It's that splat. Okay, it's that splat. Okay, bam. Look at that. Bam. Now I just need to hook this negative thing right here. It's that splat. Grab some vice grips. Works for everything. Works for everything. Hope y'all don't get shocked. Oh, it's working. It's working. But the only thing is, I'm trying to figure out if this is gonna kill my battery though.
It could if it's running all the time. You might have to like unplug it.
So here's what we're gonna do. Just to see if it's gonna kill my battery. 300, I lined it up with the windshield banner.
That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
That's what I was just waiting. When are you gonna get your shit tinted?
Probably not for a minute.
Why?
Money, dog. My workers
not
are charging $240.
I tried telling you. I just paid for mine to get tinted.
Bro, $80 Arizona.
Yeah, but there's not a legal Mexican.
$80.
There's not a legal Mexicans down the road.
$80.
You know what I'm saying? Like, bro, I paid $240. I think $250 for mine. And that was the sun strip. They wanted $40 extra.
$80, bro.
I'm tracking. 80. I'm tracking. On your 300, you paid $80. Fucking Juan Carlos III down the road fucking did your shit for next to nothing.
392 DOS, we here. We got the fucking the weirdo right there. Look at the weirdo guy. Look at him. Just look at him. Look at him. He's driving the Beamer. Oh, he got the Street Mafia sticker. Okay, okay. Oh,
Get that on camera, motherfucker.
he got the strap. He got the strap. He's strapped up. He got the Street Mafia. Hey, yo, y'all go follow Street Mafia 253. You know. So right now, oh shit. Right now we about to go hit a meet, but thank y'all for watching. So today we did Underglow. Let me show y'all a little Underglow. Did the Underglow. I had to cop that. So on the 300, only 2 of them broke. So I just used other 2, and it was like $28 to get them all, or to get everything. You know, I had the brain for it, all that. But I just drilled from what y'all saw, and it's pretty clean now. I like it. I like it. So throw the flag on there right now and we be straight. Look at that guy. So
we can go over there, right? We're getting... What?
The parking lot's full, you guys have to come back. No one's in this parking lot tonight.
I'm not doing some food, so...
Okay,
Yeah,
where's your car?
Over there.
It's on that side or on this side?
This on that side. Oh,
It's on that side? Okay, you're good on that side.
Oh, okay.
It's on this side, it's gonna get towed in about 30 minutes when I get back to the shooting.
I still got 30 minutes.
Best luck, man. If I come back sooner.
Alright.
Fine.
Damn. Alright, let's go move the whip. Alright, let's go move the whip. Hey. Didn't you move it? I thought it was over there. No, it's over here. Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're getting
Let me meet you over there. I'm trying to get the video.
Oh, hell no, you ain't dipping on me again.
What do you mean?
I'll fight him for you, I got you.
We're getting food. We're not leaving.
Yeah, but he said he's about to tow my car if it's over there. So,
Yeah. We have to move it to Dick's.
yeah. We have to get food, though. In order for us to not to get towed. Yeah. Well, she took my fucking car.
What?
Cat races.
why are you taking pictures of me?
It's a video, dumbass.
Oh, he's trying to act all humble. He's like,
I know.
Is that $392?
It's not me. It's not me. It's not me.
That's $392?
Tree killer DOS?
I guess we're going to Kent races? Alright. Big dick. Big dick. Oh no, he's coming. Big dick's coming for me. He's creeping.
What's your Instagram?
Street Mafia, underscore Mafia 253.
For watching, appreciate y'all. Appreciate y'all. If y'all haven't liked, subscribe, and comment, go ahead and do that, and we're gonna go from there. Y'all have a good one.